I just became what is known as an authentic Taiwanese man. I feel good. Oh shoot! Yes! Holy crap! 注意射！小贝一酱玩水。This is where I belong. This is my home. This is my calling. Gosh, I love this part of Taiwan. Just a pool of mijiang. You hear that? What's that? Do you hear that? Can you hear that? 是什么声音? Okay, let's go check it out. We're gonna go check it out. What's up, Meat Fun? Welcome back to Biancheng Jiagang A Taiwan Lang. I'm right now in Taitung, and this video we're going to be going into Pingtung because for this big series I'm going to every single corner of Taiwan to experience everything traditional. Now on this video, come with me, we are going to be challenging the most original Taiwanese man, most original culture that lies on this island, which is the indigenous culture. I'm going to take it, come here. 大家好，你们很帅，你们刚刚做的表演很厉害，你们刚刚看到了，就是这个啪啪的表演，还有那边是阿美族，对不对？哇，很棒。So guys, just a moment, I'm going to get the opportunity to use these drums right here. It's going to be awesome. So excited for today's adventures, guys. We are going to be really testing out this culture. Then we're going to head up in the mountains, and we're going to have a great day trying and testing out to become a true, authentic Taiwanese man. Awesome, this whole thing, but now it is time for the competition. We have proved ourselves as the indigenous men that we are, but we're gonna have a solo competition, and on this we're gonna have a beat competition, so watch this video. 我们开始再念的 solo 好不好? Here we go. That was extreme, man. How are we gonna follow that? Okay, I'm really nervous. Okay. No, wait. Okay, guys, it's up to you guys. 谁的 solo 是最好的？他的、我的 or Manuel？ 我们觉得他肯定赢。But I want you guys to do it. Otherwise, these drums are absolutely fun. This is a fun experience. You guys need to come check this out. We're gonna go outside. Outside is Sanxi and Tai. It's a good place. Excited to show you. Let's go out there. Let's go! According to Taoist beliefs, the island was once a resting stop for three immortals, hence the name Sanxiantai, Terrace of Three Immortals. Here's where it gets fun. A myth tradition, it is also believed that a dragon protected the island, hence the design of the dragon-like footstep bridge. I about just shat myself.
That's a bloody big snake.
We were in the cave, and there's a water snake, bright blue with stripe.
Wow.
Holy jitter bedeegers. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay guys, here we go. We have your rare Taiwanese coral. I don't even know the name for that. This is a sea snake. This is a sneeze. This is a sea snake, and its colors are just absolutely beautiful. I walked in this cave, and I was scared. I came in, I see this blue thing. Oh my gosh, it is so majestic. We have now challenged and conquered the East Coast. My quest to become an authentic Taiwanese man was almost complete. A week of adventures and challenges, leaving us with one last destination. It was like the last stair at the top of a staircase. If it's my quest to become an authentic Taiwanese man, then I must prove myself worthy to those in the mountains, to those who were first to call this place Taiwan. My Taiwanese Indigenous Challenge begins now. Welcome to Wutai, a tribal village hoisted up in the mountains of Pingtung. If you should emulate anyone to become a true Taiwanese, it would be from those natives of these mountainous tribes. Like,
Thank
you
you.
create the headpiece, the whole vest.
Thank you.
I like it. I like it a lot.
But remind me once again why we're wearing this stuff here.
Okay, guys, we have arrived in these beautiful mountains up in Pingtung. We are currently at the Shan Bulo. Now, the mountains up here are super rich in this beautiful indigenous culture. And for my awesome quest to become an authentic Taiwanese, Jiagang A Taiwan Lang, I am here in the mountains to experience and to challenge the indigenous things that are here. That's it. We're going to make food. We're going to be doing arts, and we're going to be盪秋千.
盪秋千.
Have you ever heard that before?
I never heard it.
It is
but it sounds
insane, and today we're going to be trying it. So, our quest begins now. Let's go find out what our first challenges are. Are you ready? Ah!
We're almost there, Manuel.
Hey, Manuel!
Yeah, Mike.
Oh, you went in the wrong way. Okay, 我们叫到了我们今天的朋友这个帅哥，请问一下，现在的挑战我们要做什么？
我们现在要做我们的传统料理的挑战，这叫阿拉布鲁。
阿拉布鲁，阿拉布鲁。
耶，阿拉布鲁。
OK，
我们等一下要把它包起来，包肉。
包肉，
对，
包肉。我们要包肉。Indigenous food, very unique. They're herbs and spices. Come natural. If it be fresh peanuts or mountainous peppers, it will leave your taste buds in an everlasting state of nirvana. Oh yes, how do we make this wrap?
Slowly.
After crushing down the ingredients, some of which were peanuts, mountainous peppers, millet, and other spices, we mixed it together with fresh mountain pork and put it on top of the wild leaf that we plucked from the forest. We wrapped it similar to much of my beloved Mexican food, tied it up, and set it in to boil. Now, while the food cooks, I've actually got something fun to tell you. When you come to this place, you got free Wi-Fi and you can pay with your phone. That's inconvenient. I'll tell you all about this later, but let's check up on the food. Well, you may just be wondering, all of this amazing food, how on earth does it taste? Well, lucky for me, it's food tasting time. Oh yeah. Do you smell it? Yeah, do you smell it? We've got some indigenous food right here. Let's eat. Mine.
Mine is the pretty one. Oh my gosh! What do you think?
觉得呢？
吃不答应，这个美味。
找不到。
It's fresh, loaded with juices, packed full of flavor,
Unbelievable.
savory.
好吃。
Wow.
我最喜欢的一个部分就是这个椰子，因为这个椰子会加一种好像新鲜的味道，还有一个特别的口感。Wow, we've got lots of other food. If you want to see more of this food, check out this guy's channel. He's going to be giving us a full-on, in-depth eating tutorial. Pumpkin, meats, whatever. But guys, we have more things up the mountain. We're going to be doing some awesome stuff, more foods, more challenges. Let's get going. Hey guys, welcome to the next challenge of me becoming an authentic Taiwanese man. Right behind us is this really cool thing. This is known as盪秋千. And guys, this is one of the coolest, most interesting cultural aspects of the indigenous people. Let's check it out together. The indigenous tribes in these mountains have a rich culture. To fully become Taiwanese, you must become one with the culture. Custom to these indigenous tribes is the盪秋千. The ceremony is held here, a circle plaza with a bamboo pyramid. It was created to let the boys and girls of the tribe mingle, ultimately to tie the knot.
从前面，
对了吧？ 从前面吧。
啊，没关系。
这脚又弯了。
OK， 这个要这么做啊，
用手去拉就可以。
这样，哎耶，哦这样子，哎，那请问你要到多高？这样子对不对？
对，
很好，
大力一点。
可以好了，
可以没关系，你就稍微动动身体。
这样子，哇哦，哇哦，完成了。那我要帮助他下来吗？要帮助他下来。That's it, guys. I just became what is known as an authentic Taiwanese man. I feel good. That was a lot of fun. Manuel, I can't believe this is a thing.
Can you believe these guys? Wow.
Not only does it look fun, but it's so traditional. It's got a really rich cultural aspect and meaning behind it. Wow. That was seriously one of the coolest cultural things I've ever seen. Now, real quick, guys, I want to tell you something. This whole entire series of me becoming an authentic Taiwanese man is all thanks to our awesome sponsor. Now, what they're doing is all over Taiwan, they're setting up things to let us travel easy. We're talking payments that you can scan with your phone, kiosks, travel information, and so much more. This is one of the kiosks that they set up. No store orders, but you can buy some really awesome cultural things. So I'm looking here, you've actually got all these neat little things. I am in love with this keychain right there, 33. Treren, enter. And then what's really cool is they've got this line payment and other phone ways that you can do it. You hit okay, boom. Ha! It worked! How convenient. We've got kiosks, we've got free Wi-Fi. Guys, this place is amazing. Manuel, see this beautiful piece of art? I just bought one, but we're gonna go do our last challenge of this Aboriginal Indigenous Challenge series. We're gonna go down the mountain and make our own kind of special Indigenous art. Shall we? Let's go. The whole entire area is known for its coffee. Manuel, are you a coffee fan?
I am a coffee man. Come on.
He's a coffee man.
Yeah.
He's a coffee man. And they've also got something which is really interesting and intrigues me a lot. Is they've got this. It's called 肉桂花生, which is a cinnamon peanut. 这个肉桂花生好吃吗?
Yes.
That's right. Yes. Yes. 这是你自己做的吗?
Yeah.
Wow. She speaks amazing English.
No.
Yes, we've been listening. So,
Ragazzi.
now this is the cinnamon peanuts, and you said you eat them with the leaf?
Yes.
Okay, let's try out.
Oh my gosh.
Very good. I love how crunchy the leaves are.
You're not going to regret this. What a time.
Unbelievable, guys. Hey, look at.
What's up?
Where are we?
Another fabulous question from Manuel. We've actually traveled down the mountains, and one of the things I love about this plan that we're doing that makes traveling super easy, super fun, is they've got this cool little app. Now, I'm on this app right here. You can see this, right? They've got this cool little map, and I've been checking out this map. We've been walking up and down the street. I found the store I wanted to take you. You know, I'm all about accessories, having fun, so let's go inside, check this place out. What I love culture. I'm a big cultural fanatic. And when you come in here, you get so many cool things. Yo! What the heck is this? Part of their plan is they're putting kiosks everywhere. Now, if you look at this fun kiosk, you can do lots of things. It's got beautiful videos just like the one you're watching right now. It's also got the map guide just like the app I just showed you. Check this out. Let's take a photo. Come here, come here, come here. What background? Let's add some stickers. Yes!
Do they have monkeys?
And let's just send this. So you can do lots of fun things. This photo gets sent right to your phone. You can upload it. It's a fun travel experience. Now, I told you before, come here. Look at these crafts. Do you like crafts?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
For me, culture's based on design. It's based on their arts. So let's head over, let's do a DIY, and you guys can be the judge of who's the most authentic Taiwanese person when it comes to crafts. Show him the new clothing. Look at this new and beautiful. That's because he has moved up in ranks to a new tribe. Now, in Pingtung, the rest of the time, we have actually been in the Lukai tribes. You are now in the Taiwan tribes, right? So, told you, we're gonna be making crafts. Look at these. They're good. We're gonna do crafts, so let's get going.
开始。
Now it's time to add the colors.
Color time.
Color. Woo! Hey, me fun. The challenge has been finished. This is super fun, any age, and you know what's cool? They've got payment by phone if you want to. Yeah, see? Right there. Boom. So, making travels fun, but it now comes to you guys. Who has the coolest keychain? So I'm gonna go first. I made mine, so you can get a good close up. There we go. You got little pigs running around the fields. Your turn.
I got fishes in the sky, followed by little pineapple. What are you doing here?
Just a second, let me gather my thoughts. I've made many, many discoveries today, but this tops them all. Okay, I've been in Taiwan for 3 years and never have landed on a donut that I love. This donut here in this middle, well, like, Ben, where are we? We don't even know. It's the middle of a Pingtung mountain.
Nowhere.
And they've got this donut.
That's the best donut I ever had.
I'll see you guys later. Peace. What's up, 米粉？我真的有变成一个加港 A 台湾人。Guys, I am Taiwanese. Today was my 4th video where I came into the mountains and I challenged the indigenous life, the indigenous Taiwanese manhood. It was such an amazing day, and I just want to say Taiwan is such a beautiful place, and the indigenous people have been cultivating this place for so long. They have brought such a special and unique, incomparable culture that Taiwan has, and that really makes Taiwan sparkle like a gem. Otherwise, guys, this series has been so fun to film. This was the 4th video. I've taken you to go on the seas, into the mysterious mountains, to the harbors, and to explore the indigenous life. I hope you guys liked it as much as I do. Get ready for the next video where I give you the scoop on how I feel I did on becoming a Taiwanese man. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys rock. Hit subscribe. Be ready for more videos. What do you guys want to see in future series and episodes? And I think you all know what to say. 喝一杯，快乐一杯，米浆万岁。